Hello, welcome to Budashro. I am going to start a new series on Jyotish beginners. If you are beginners and you want to learn astrology, this channel is for you and this series is for you. I am going to start from the beginners level or from the starting level will as zero level to the advanced slowly. Class will be uploaded weekly. So if you are new on my channel, please subscribe it so that you don't miss the videos. Let's start our class. I am Ashish Sharma if you don't know, and this is the class 1. First, understand what is horoscope or kundli. What is horoscope or kundli? Any horoscope has three things. In any horoscope, sorry, you will find three things. First, there will be houses or bhavas. Second, there will be signs or rashis. Third will be the planets, which are grihas. Now, total number of houses will be 12 in any horoscope. Total number of signs or rashis will also be 12 and 9 planets will be there in any horoscope. Now, these are the two different format which we generally use. First format is North Indian style. This format. This format is known as South Indian style. Now see, this box which is the first box in this horoscope, this is called first house or lagna or ascendant. Both are same. This first house is also called Lagna, this box, or ascendant. In North Indian style, what we do is bhavas are fixed. This will always be the first house in any North Indian style. And then we go anti-clockwise. So if this box is the first house, then next will be the second house. Because Earth moves from west to east. That's why we take anti-clock direction. This will be the second house. The next house will be the third house. The next house will be the fourth house. This will be the fifth house. This house will be the sixth house. Then this house will be the seventh house. This is the eighth. This is the ninth. This is the 10th. This is 11th. This is 12th. This is how North Indian style is looks like. This is South Indian style. What we do is leave the first box. Start from the second box. This second box will always have the sign, which is the Mesha or Aries sign. This is fixed in the South Indian style. While North Indian style, we do not have sign in the houses. Houses are fixed. Here, signs are fixed. This is known as diamond chart also, and this is known as solar chart also. Why? Because sun moves east to west, and in the same direction we move also in the South Indian style. So this house is not house. This box will always have the Mesha sign or Aries sign, and we move in the solar direction like this direction clockwise. So second box will be the Taurus sign, third will be the Gemini sign, and this is how it looks like. Last box will be the Pisces sign. This is the different part. Here bhavas or houses are fixed, here signs are fixed. This is the difference. But suppose in the North Indian chart, this first box will always will be the Lagna or ascendant. But in the case of South Indian style, suppose Lagna is Capricorn, so you can cross this house. And it is easily understandable that yes, this is the Capricorn. Because signs are fixed in these boxes. Let's see how these are looks like. This is the real examples. Here you can see this first box has planet Ra means Rahu and one number is written. Even if you don't write one, this will always be the Mesha sign. Second, Sun. This second box has the sign 2. It means Taurus sign. This is not house. House's first house will be this because it has been crossed. It means this sign is Lagna. While in the North Indian style, here you can easily see this first box is the Lagna, and here the 5 number is written, which is the Leo sign. So this is the difference. Here signs are written, or even if you do not written, it is easily understandable. It is easily understandable that this box will always have the Aries sign or Mesha sign. While in the North Indian chart, we always put the sign so that we can understand, right? So this is how they looks like. Now, what are the zodiac signs? First, there are 12 zodiac signs, as I already told you. First zodiac sign is Aries, which is called Mesha. Second is Taurus or Vrashabha. Third is Gemini, which is Mithuna. Fourth is Cancer, that is Karka. Five is Leo, that is Shambha. Sixth is Virgo, that is Kanya. Seventh is Libra, that is Tula. Eighth is Scorpio, that is Vrashchika. Nine is Sagittarius, that is Dhanu. 10th is Capricorn, that is Makara. 11th is Aquarius, that is Kumbha. And 12 is the Pisces, that is Meena. These are the Hindi words. Sometimes we will use it. What you have to remember is, you have to remember that first means here the numbering has been given to the zodiac signs. You can see the numbering. This numbering is very important because in the North Indian style or South Indian style, we do not write numbers. Like here you can see, we do not write zodiac signs, we write numbers. Sorry, let me correct myself. This box you can see 5 number is written. Here 5 is known as Leo sign. So Leo sign is not written. Leo sign is not written. In the place of Leo sign, we just use the number of that sign. So you have to remember this number also. This number is the most important part. So first number means we are talking about Mesha sign or Aries sign. Second numbers means we are talking about Vrashabha sign or Taurus sign. Third number means we are talking about Mithuna sign or Gemini. Similarly, fourth will be the Karka, right? Or Cancer sign. Fifth will be the Simbha, that is Leo sign. Sixth will be the Kanya, that is Virgo sign. Seventh will be the Libra, that is Tula sign. Eighth will be the Vrashchika, that is Scorpio sign. Ninth will be the Dhanu, that is Sagittarius sign. 10th will be the Makara, that is Capricorn sign. 11th will be the Kumbha, that is Aquarius sign. 12th will be the Meena, that is Pisces sign. And you have to remember this sequence, right? These are the 12 zodiac signs. Hope you get this point. Now comes to the planet. As I already told you, there are 9 planets in any horoscope. First planet will be the Sun or Surya. They are generally written with their names. Moon, Chandra, Mars, Mangal, Mercury, Buddha, Jupiter, Guru or Brihaspati, Venus, that is Shukra, Saturn, that is Sunny. Apart from the 7 planets, there are 2 other planets which are known as Rahu Ketu. Rahu is known as ascending nodes, Ketu is known as descending nodes. Now you can see Surya, Chandra, Mangal, Buddha, Guru, Shukra, Sunny, Rahu, and Ketu. This is misprint. 9 planets are there. These 9 planets are written by their names. See in this chart, MA means Mars and 5 number means Leo sign. Similarly, in this house, KE means Ketu and sign is 7 number, 7 number, that is the Libra sign. Similarly, here you can see this is first means Aries, RA means Rahu. Second means Taurus, SU means Sun. So Sun is sitting in the Taurus sign. Here you can see Sun is sitting in the Taurus sign. This is how written. Zodiac signs are written by their numbers 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, and planets are written by their names only. This is the structure of any horoscope. Now see, what is Kal Purusha Kundli? You already know that this first box is known as first house. Similarly, in the next box will be the second house. This will be the third house. And apart from this, you already know that one number it means Aries sign, two number it means Taurus sign. Like here you can see. Third means Gemini sign. So when one number is written in the first house, second number written in the second house, third number written in the third house, and a horoscope is made, this horoscope is known as Kalpurusha Kundli. It means first house will have the Mesha sign or Aries sign or first sign. That why first is written. So houses are not written in the numerical format. They are fixed. This one here shows the sign of Aries. Here you can see one means Aries. It means first house, this house, first house has the one number, and one number means Aries sign. That's why when the first house has the Mesha sign or Aries sign, second house will have the Taurus sign, third house will have the Gemini sign, and so on. A horoscope is made which is known as Kalpurusha Kundli, right? So these numbers are representing the zodiac signs here, and this is how Kalpurusha Kundli is made, right? Now see, these are the different lagnas. Now this is the Dhanu Lagna horoscope, this is the Kumbh Lagna horoscope, this is the Kark Lagna horoscope. Why? Because this first box, which is called Lagna or first house or ascendant, it has the 9 number, which is represented by this symbol. This is the symbol of 9 number, and 9 number is known as Dhanu or Sagittarius. So you have to remember this point. Now second house will always have the 10 number, right? It goes on sequentially. If first house has the 9 number, then second house will have the 10 number. Similarly, here you can see the symbol of the Aquarius sign. This is the Aquarius because this is the first house. First house is the Lagna, and Lagna has the Aquarius symbol or Kumbha sign. That's why this is Kumbh Lagna. Here, Cancer sign, 4 number is written, and this is the symbol of the 4. That is the Karka. That's why this is the horoscope is Kark Lagna. So these are the different type of horoscope which are used in North Indian style, right? So there will be total 12 type of horoscope where the Lagna will have decide what kind of horoscope it is. Like here it is Dhanu Lagna because 9 number is written here. It is Kumbh Lagna because 11 number is written here. This is Kark Lagna because first house has the sign of Cancer or 4 number sign. 4 number sign is represented by the Cancer sign. Now this is the most important part. This is known as cosmic couple, or we can say opposite force. What you will find is you will find that zodiac signs are always arranged in a pair form. Like Mesha or Aries sign always comes opposite to the Libra or Tula sign. Similarly, Taurus or Vrashabha sign will be opposite to the Scorpio sign or Vrashchika sign. Gemini या Mithuna sign will be opposite to the Sagittarius sign or Dhanu sign. Cancer or Karka sign will be opposite to the Capricorn or Makara sign. Similarly, Leo or Simba sign will be opposite to the Aquarius or Kumbha sign. And Virgo or Kanya will be opposite to the Pisces or Meena sign. This is fixed. These signs comes together, or we can say opposite to the each other. For an example, see this. This is the first house. Here the 7 number is written because it is Libra. Denoted this is the Libra sign. Second number has the 8. Now see, first number has the Libra. So opposite of Libra will be always the one number. That is the Mesha or Aries sign. Right? So this is opposite pair. Similarly, if Scorpio sign is falling in the second house, then opposite of it always will be the Taurus sign, that is the 2 number. So these are the couple or opposite force. Similarly, third house has the Sagittarius sign, so it will be opposited by the Gemini sign. They will be opposite to each other. So these are the cosmic couple. What is the importance is, suppose in any horoscope this Scorpio sign is afflicted or giving problem, so what we will do is we will increase the intensity of this sign so that it can balance it. That's why They are called as opposite force or cosmic couple. So we can do balancing of signs to each other. Suppose fourth house has the Capricorn sign, and suppose Jupiter is sitting here. So Jupiter will be debilitated. So what we will do is we will increase the intensity of this Karka sign so that it can balance the malefic effect of this house. This is the prediction part which will be used later. But you remember this point. This is the Gemini sign because it is the third. So opposite always will be the 9. Similarly, here is 6th, opposite will be always 12th. What is 12th? This is the Pisces sign. So this is the Virgo sign. You can see Virgo is always opposite by the Meena or Pisces sign. So this you have to remember. The most important part if you want to astrology, if you want to learn astrology seriously, most important part is this one. You have to remember what is the opposite sign to each other and what are these numbers, right? Let's see next. Now, planets, as I have already told you, planets are 9 in the number and there are 12 zodiac signs. These are the 12 zodiac signs you already know. First means Mesha sign, second means Brashaba sign, third means Mithuna sign, fourth means Karka sign, fifth means Simha, Leo, sixth means Virgo or Kanya, seventh means Libra or Tula, eighth means Vrishchika or Scorpio, ninth means Dhanu or Sagittarius, 10th means Capricorn and Makar, 11th means Kumbha and Aquarius, 12th means Pisces or Meena. These are the signs. These zodiac signs are ruled by the 9 planets. And how lordship has been assigned? This is how lordship has been assigned. Sun or Surya is the ruler of the Leo sign. Leo sign means 5 number. Here you can see Leo sign means 5 number. This is ruled by the planet Surya or Sun. Similarly, Moon rules Cancer sign. Mars rules Aries and Scorpio, that is 1 and 8. This is the Mesha 1. This is the Scorpio 8. So these two houses are ruled by the Mars. Then Mercury rules Gemini and Virgo. Jupiter rules Sagittarius and Pisces. Venus rules Taurus and Libra. Saturn's rule Capricorn and the Aquarius. Rahu Ketu do not rule any sign, but classics says that Rahu is the co-lord of Aquarius and Ketu is the co-lord of Scorpio sign, that is Vrishchika or Kumbha, right? This is how these planets have been assigned the Rasi lordship. I will make you remember how to remember these sign, but you have to remember this, that Sun rules only Leo sign and Moon rules only the Cancer sign. Then Mars, Mercury, Jupiter, Venus, and Saturn. They have two houses. Mars is Aries and Scorpio, that is first and eighth. Mercury is Gemini and Virgo, that is third and sixth. Jupiter is Sagittarius and Pisces, that is ninth and 12th. That is ninth and that is 12th. Then Venus is Taurus and Libra, so Venus will be the second and seventh. Saturn is Capricorn and Aquarius, that is 10 and 11. Right? So this you have to remember. Let's see next. How to remember this? What we can do is we can divide the whole zodiac cycle into two parts. First part will be called solar half, second part will be called as lunar half. What is the solar half? Start from the Leo sign and goes up to the Capricorn sign in the ascending order. Ascending order means clockwise. This is the sun or Leo sign. So after 5 there will be the 6th, 7th, 8th, 9th, 10th. So Leo sign, Virgo sign, Libra sign, Scorpio sign, Sagittarius sign and Capricorn sign. These signs will fall under the solar half, right? Similarly, lunar half start from the Cancer sign because Cancer is ruled by the moon. And now we will go anti-clockwise. It means first is 4, then 3, then 2, then 1, then 12, then 11. So 4 means Cancer ruled by the moon. Third will be Mercury because it is Gemini. Second will be the Taurus because it is Venus. First will be the Mesha because it is Mars. 12th will be the Pisces, it is Jupiter, and 11th will be the Kumbha, that is Aquarius. So this is how we can divide it, right? Now see, if you see fifth sign and fourth sign together, then second house from the sun and similarly second house from the moon is ruled by the Mercury. So Mercury will rule the sixth number and three number. Start counting from the fifth sign. So next sign will be the sixth. Similarly, start counting from the fourth sign in the anti-clockwise. So fourth, then third, right? So three and sixth will be ruled by the Mercury. Then seventh and second ruled by the Venus. Then eighth and first will be ruled by the Mars. Then ninth and 12th will be ruled by the Jupiter. And then 10th and 11th ruled by the Saturn. This is how you can easily remember it. Now comes the practice chart. This is the North Indian style. You can see this first box. This is the first house. Here AS is written. AS means ascendant. KE is written, that is Ketu. And 10 number is written. 10 number means Capricorn. It means this chart is of Capricorn Lagna. What is Lagna in this chart? That is Capricorn. Now we know that 10 number means Capricorn and it is ruled by the Saturn, right? So Lagna Lord will be known as Saturn. Now see, second house has the sign of Aquarius because 10 number, then 11 will become 11 will come into second house. So second house lord will also be the Saturn. This is the third house. 12 means Pisces sign is there. So third house has the Pisces sign. Pisces sign is ruled by the Jupiter. So we can say third house lord is Jupiter because whatever sign is there, rulership is decided based on this sign, not the house. Houses do not have any rulership. Houses rulership is depend or decided on the sign. This is the fourth house. Here the one number is written. One number means Aries or Mesha sign. It is ruled by the Mars. So what we will say, that fourth house is ruled by the Mars or fourth lord is Mars. Similarly, this is the fifth house. Two number is written. Two number means Taurus sign. So fifth house has the Taurus sign. Taurus sign is ruled by the Venus. So I will say fifth lord is Venus, right? Sixth house. This is the sixth house because count from here. This is the first, this is the second, third, fourth, fifth, and sixth. Three number is written. Third number. This is the Gemini sign ruled by the Mercury. So I will say my sixth lord is Mercury and sixth house sign is Gemini, right? This is the seventh house. Seventh house has the four number, that is the Cancer sign. This is the eighth house, Leo sign. This is the ninth house, Virgo sign. Now see, sixth house is also ruled by Mercury and ninth house is also ruled by Mercury. Why? Because sixth house has the sign of Gemini and ninth house has the sign of Virgo. And Gemini and Virgo both sign are ruled by the Mercury. So what I will say is, in this Capricorn Lagna horoscope, this sixth house and ninth house are ruled by the Mercury, right? Now tenth house. Tenth house has the sign of Libra. Libra is ruled by the Venus also. Venus is also sitting here. This is the 10th house. Now Venus is the ruler of the 10th house. Why? Because Libra sign is there. And see the fifth house. This is the fifth house. Fifth house has the sign of Taurus. It is also ruled by Venus. So I will say that in the Capricorn Lagna, Venus is the ruler of the fifth house lord and 10th house lord. Right? Similarly, 11th house has the sign of Aquarius, sign of Scorpio, and Mesha sign falls in the fourth house. This is the fourth house. One number means Mesha. This is the 11th house. Eight number means Scorpio. These both zodiac signs are ruled by Mars. So I will say that in the Capricorn Lagna, this is the Capricorn Lagna, fourth house ruler and 11th house ruler is Mars. Right? This is the 12th house. Nine number is written means Sagittarius sign or Dhanu Rashi. And 12th number is written in the third house. So I will say Jupiter is the ruler of the third house and 12th house in this horoscope. This is how we understand what a Rasi chart is. This is the Rasi chart and how it is represented. I hope you can easily understand. Let's see next. Now, in any horoscope, there are three power sources or three pivotal points which are very important for any horoscope. First point is Lagna. What is Lagna? This is the first house which is known as Lagna. So, whatever sign falls in the Lagna, that Lagna Lord is becomes very important. Like here, 5 number is written. 5 number means Leo sign. So, Leo sign is ruled by Sun. So, Sun becomes the Lagna Lord. Second is moon sign. Moon sign means wherever moon is sitting in the horoscope. Here you can see moon is sitting in the 10th house and sign is Taurus. So we can say moon sign is Taurus. This house or ruler of the moon sign also becomes very important, right? Taurus sign is ruled by Venus. So for this horoscope, moon sign is Taurus and ruler of the moon sign will be the Venus, right? Third is sun sign, where the sun is sitting. Sun is sitting in the fifth house in this horoscope. Sign is Sagittarius, which is the Jupiter sign. So I will say that